I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go. But what always hurts the most is not taking a moment to say goodbye.
This is Irfan Khan, perhaps the most well-known Hindi actor in the world thanks to his roles in films like The Namesake, Slumdog Millionaire, Life of Pi, The Amazing Spider-Man and Jurassic World. But before his international success, even before becoming a household name in India, Irfan's rise to fame was an uphill battle from the very beginning. While studying acting at the National School of Drama, a 20-year-old Irfan was spotted by director Meera Nair, who was looking for actors for her first feature film Salaam Bombay. Irfan played a letter writer helping a young boy get in touch with his mother. Originally, his part was going to be much larger, but it was cut down significantly. Irfan was initially crushed by this, but it did prepare him for the tough business that lay ahead.
पता नहीं कहाँ से आते हैं साला स्टैम्प भी फोकट में जाएगा.
Irfan spent much of his early career becoming well known for his work on TV shows like Chandrakanta, Banegi Apni Baat, The Great Maratha, and Chanakya. During this time, however, Irfan considered quitting acting, stating in an interview for The Guardian, "I came into this industry to tell stories and do cinema, and I was stuck in television." But then a job came along that changed Irfan's mind. In 2001, he was introduced to international audiences when he played the lead role in The Warrior, a critically acclaimed film which told the story of a sellsword who rebels against his immoral way of life. Irfan's ability to convey emotions without much dialogue at all was crucial for his character's internal struggle. After The Warrior, Irfan continued to have success in Hindi films, delivering a Filmfare Award-nominated performance as a crooked student union leader in Hasil, and he played the lead role in Maqbool, a retelling of Shakespeare's Macbeth. But it wasn't until he reunited with director Meera Nair to play Ashok in the 2006 drama The Namesake when he truly began to have success internationally. After an arranged marriage, Ashok moves to New York with his wife, and we get to see him grow over several decades as he starts a new life in America.
Anything is possible in America. Do as you wish.
Meanwhile, Irfan's life in America was really taking off. After director Mark Webb saw his performances as a police inspector in Danny Boyle's Slumdog Millionaire and as a patient in the HBO series In Treatment, he cast Irfan as Dr. Ranjit Rath in The Amazing Spider-Man. Other international hits followed, from Oscar-winning dramas like Life of Pi to big-budget blockbusters like Jurassic World and Inferno. But Irfan also continued with highly successful Hindi films. He won a Filmfare Award for playing the socially inept Monty in Life in a Metro.
I do yoga regularly, I jog, I go to gym, then I go to office. Simple life.
He won a National Film Award for playing the title character in the biographical drama Pan Singh Tomar. And he got a chance to play a romantic lead in the BAFTA-nominated drama comedy The Lunchbox. He won another Filmfare Award playing a father doing whatever he can to get his daughter a good education in Hindi medium. While shooting a web series for Amazon Prime Video, Irfan discovered that he had been diagnosed with a rare form of cancer. He had to walk away from the project to focus on his health. Even through his battle with the fatal disease and struggling physically, he starred in Homi Adajania's Angrezi Medium, a light-hearted sequel to Hindi Medium. On the 29th of April 2020, Indian and international cinema lost one of its most talented actors. Looking back on Irfan Khan's work, it's impossible to put into words the impact of his body of work and his contribution to cinema. Luckily for Irfan, he didn't need words. At times, all it took was a glance, a gesture, a quiet moment. His silence was deafening. And now more than ever, his work can and will continue to speak for him.